What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, Caspians. I am back with another video. Kaspa, the project that is on steroids, the only altcoin that I know of, the digital silver of this space that is absolutely crushing it. It's on steroids, guys. I've never seen anything like this in all my time in crypto. A project that is so freaking bullish. Like, Kaspa is doing its own thing. It's in its own bull run. We're gonna dive into some threads of Kaspa. We're gonna cover some things outside of the market, which is good for the overall markets. With Kaspa already being so bullish and crushing it, it's just gonna help add fuel to the Kaspa rocket ship that is already, the Kaspa rocket ship is already on Mach 5. It's gonna go to Mach 10 with the bullish news we're getting in the markets. I'm just happy to cover the project. Thank y'all so much for tuning in and supporting the videos. I really appreciate it. Just to let you know, please support all my previous videos as well. Go support this previous Kaspa video. I see you guys tuned into the live stream with a ton of people tuned in. That was great, and I appreciate that. Also, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's get this video right now that you're watching 10,000 views. Share it out. Share it with the rest of the Kaspa community. I'm gonna do my best to keep covering the project, let people know about the project, spread awareness of it, because ghost dag technology is the future, and we are seeing it play out in the price. Right, the technology is great, so the price follows. As always, I'm not a financial advisor. Never invest more than you're willing to lose into crypto, guys. So yeah, we could take a look at Kaspa right now, sitting at that 2.3, almost, it hit 2.4 cent recently today. Last night we was watching it to see if it hits the 2.4 cent range, and it was making its move up, man, and it just did it recently today. Right, everything in the market is breaking out. Bitcoin is going bonkers. Bitcoin was just above 30k. Ethereum was going bonkers. Kaspa is gonna come right up here and take the spots of this second and third place. Trust and believe that, y'all. I'm telling you, Kaspa is super bullish, and Kaspa is crushing it, guys. You could take a look and see, man. This is the only altcoin I know that's performing this well. I don't know any other altcoins performing the way Kaspa is performing, right? Up around 40% on the 24-hour. Can't fade a project like Kaspa, man. You really can't. You got to get some type of exposure to it. A lot of people are looking for that correction. I don't know what to tell you, man. The correction could potentially happen, but get a nice little bag, maybe get a nice little, just get some exposure, and then maybe wait for the retrace to DCA in, right? If it does retrace. If it doesn't, at least you got some exposure, so you could reap some profits in the future, right? $1 Kaspa will happen sooner than we think, guys. I'm telling you. From Chain BTC, Kaspa is going to continue to make big moves in the crypto world. Peeps say they might be late to the party. Nah, you're early. Plenty more upside, and we march on. I'm buying and accumulating for the next 18 months-ish. Kas at $1 is FUD. Now, my target for Kas would be $1, but Chain BTC is saying Kas at $1 is FUD. So $5 to $10 for Kaspa. Is that a possibility as well? With the technology and everything Kaspa has, I wouldn't rule it out, guys. The next protocol is Ghost Dag protocol from Moonshot Josh. I'm not sure if we covered this in my previous video, but we did run over this video in the live stream. Y'all already know this is Charles Hoskinson talking about DAG technology and how powerful DAG technology is, but Ghost DAG technology is leagues above that, right? Watch for the blocks per second. Don't focus on TPS. Look at the BPS, right? We're gonna take a look at this video.
I haven't heard a lot about this, but you're implementing the Spectre protocol.
Yeah, well, that's the protocol we might implement. It depends upon, at the end of the day, the research development, the Zencash team's opinion, the community's opinion. But that's probably the best of the group that we've seen to start with, and a really rigorous increase.
I mean, it's extremely fascinating. I would say this is the most fascinating protocol out there.
It slows things down. It doesn't damage throughput or security. So this was a line of research that started in Israel under two people, Avi Zohar and Yonatan Samopinski.
What year did that come out?
And the first paper was called Ghost, and it came out 2013. And actually, we included Ghost, a version of it, in the Ethereum protocol. So later on, what they did is they built up the theory, they built up the rigor, and they created a new version of the protocol called Spectre, which came out in 2016.
Right.
And they've been since iterating and refining and thinking carefully about the model.
Putting all that work into, creating a DAG, I mean, is that something that you're really serious about implementing? I mean,
Tens of thousands of transactions per second,
Really?
Low latency, confirmation times. It's basically like an order of magnitude performance.
There is a big difference between the Spectre protocol and the existing DAG protocol that's being implemented in the three other projects we mentioned, right?
Yeah, and Spectre is kind of fine-tuned for proof of work, whereas IOTA and Hashgraph is not.
I haven't heard of.
As we can see, guys, that is a younger Charles Hoskinson talking about this, and how they're just blown away by DAG technology in the video, right? Absolutely incredible stuff, because guess what? Ghost DAG technology, the technology that DAG has developed, and the developers keep working on it to make it even better. Outsource developers, because it's all open source, right? Developers that aren't getting paid to develop the protocol, they just see the potential, so they're like, yo, I love what I see here, man. I just want to do my little tweaks to the protocol to make it as best as possible, because this thing is like crazy, right? And that's just how it is. They just have a passion and a love for it. They're not getting paid to push the development of the protocol further, and yet they're still crushing it with what they're doing with development and stuff like that, right? Just community devs, right? So again, Charles Hoskinson, Cardano being one of the top projects in the space, talking about DAG technology and how impressive it is and how absolutely bonkers it is, and people like them knew about these technologies when developing their projects, and a lot of them took some of the initial technology or know-how from the Kaspa protocol, right? And that's how they're this big today. But that's what I'm saying. Kaspa actually outperforms as far as technology and innovation goes. It's much better than these previous protocols. Remember, new protocols always come out, new technologies always come out, surpassing the old technologies. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Solana, Matic, Kaspa trumps all of them, in my opinion, right? Just from a technological standpoint. And it's clear as day, right? It's absolutely clear as day. Especially projects like Litecoin, Litecoin is out of here. From Captain Sats, Kaspa currency does it the right way. The next big layer one in crypto, proof of work, block DAG, Nakamoto consensus, and usable digital silver, unlike some Litecoin. Litecoin. Add in the speedy MEV resistant smart contracts later, and it's an explosion. From Yonatan Sapolinski, the vision behind this project, from Yonatoshi. The vision behind this project is to build a Nakamoto-like service that operates on internet speeds. We wanted to build a system that surpasses the limits of Satoshi's V1 protocol, aka the Nakamoto consensus, yet adheres to the same principles embedded in Bitcoin. That decentralization, the securing of the network through miners, all of that, right? But Bitcoin on steroids, pretty much, right? That's what Kaspa is. Steroids and Adderall. Steroids, testosterone, adrenaline, Adderall. What's that conspiracy? Adrenochrome. Adrenochrome. All of that mixed together is what Cas is, right? First to make Satoshi great again. Phantom is a really neat generalization of the Nakamoto consensus. Same principles, just with support for concurrency. It is Satoshi at its best and the only path to fulfill his electronic cash vision. We are taking Nakamoto's consensus proof of work algorithm to the next level by utilizing a block DAG that in practice allows us to speed up the chain more than tenfold. Today, we are already 15 times faster than Ethereum. And with optimization, we think the technology can get us to roughly 100 BPS, 15 times faster than Ethereum, 100 BPS. Why Kaspa prices are bound to rise hugely? It's because of the Asic mining machine. Spread the thread if you're more curious. It's my hypothesis, of course, but it's I'm sure it'll still go that way. This is from Kasparticus. That's nice. It advertises that the use of Asic miners generates 2,000 in profits every day. However, owners can't expect such profits as soon as they spin the digger, because if there's a sell-off on the exchange, the price will drop in an instant. If they want to sell at a price they want, they need to have a strong purchasing base. They will create an issue by increasing the price through bicycle transaction. However, as Kaspa's technology is upgraded every time and buyers become more enthusiastic, in addition to that, the quantity of mining coins plunged, the supply compared to demand decreased, causing prices to rise further. So the miners of Kaspa are also helping, helping the project to rise in its price. The price of Kaspa will rise beyond imagination now. A lot of people will want to have it. They want to invest. This is because it is the only coin that has solved the Bitcoin trilemma. And the half ghost protocol is completed under the name DAG Night. One day when you wake up to check the price of Kaspa, you will see a price you've never imagined. It's only a few months away. Cas. I've already decided on the main tweet how much Kaspa will be worth. This man Kasparticus is calling for $100 per Kaspa. Send it, man. Send it. Okay? Send it to the moon. Insane stuff, man. So yeah, Kaspa super bullish. I'm super bullish on it. Technology is unmatched in the space, right? And we could see it really crush it and go to those. We could see it go to that $1 to $5 level. And if Kasparticus is right, eventually in the future, that $100 level. Fed Chair Jerome Powell says we see stablecoins as a form of money. He also says crypto appears to have staying power as an asset class. So now, because of the BlackRock news, BlackRock all of a sudden have their Bitcoin spot ETF. All of a sudden, people like Jerome Powell are getting more bullish on crypto, because we know BlackRock lines people like Jerome and probably Gary Gensler's pockets. Now all of a sudden they're getting bullish on crypto, right? It's good for us, and we see what's happening to the charts. Bitcoin breaking out. That aside though, Kaspa doing its own thing, a monster in this space, the unicorn of this cycle in my opinion, and it's going to absolutely crush it, guys. Caspians, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about Cas and myself will be in the description. Also, please become a Patreon, guys. Support the channel. I personally recommend my Crypto Elite tier. I give you access to my buy alerts, sell alerts, and my private Discord. I recently just posted some buy alerts, and I'm telling you guys, I'm gonna check back in a month or couple of weeks. Those buy alerts are gonna be up, and I'll be like, did you become a Patreon? Well, guess what, you missed out. What we're gonna do with these profits? Well, what I'm gonna do is buy more Cas with it. That's what I'm gonna be doing, man. But yeah, guys, thank y'all so much for watching. Really appreciate all the support. Like, comment, subscribe, blow these videos up, these Kaspa videos up. 10,000 views. I'll catch you in the next one.